Hey you guys, welcome back with the Canning Nana. So I finally gave in. I bought Tattler Lids. I've been wanting to buy these for many, many years. Figured now is the good time because I really can't find any lids anywhere. So the thought of reusing these lids multiple times is very appealing right now since there are no lids or even jars to be found in most stores. It's very hard to find them. So I've never had these before. I've never used them. A little surprising to me because they are really, really hard plastic. And I've seen Linda at Linda's Pantry use these. The Needy Homesteader, More to Life. Everybody uses them. And I've kind of been fighting it through the years. I just haven't done it. So I finally gave in. Bought some. Yes, they are pricey, but when you think that this one lid is going to be used 10 times, they're not that pricey. They're probably less than what you're paying for regular lids, especially right now because nobody can find them. They're very hard to find. I have stocked lids and jars whenever I could, so I have plenty. But I figured now is a really good time to buy the Tattlers. So I am going to be trying these out. And also watch for a video with the All-American 921 canner that I just got. Finally going to do a video on that, an unboxing video, and many things to come. No, I'm not sick. I have severe allergies right now. It's been super, super windy in California. Santa Ana winds. They are not fun for somebody who has allergies to everything God created. So, yeah, not fun. So I'm sorry if I feel or if I sound a little bit stuffy. But, yeah, that's just the reality of my life from September to March usually is not a really good time for allergies for me. So, if you guys have any tips, tricks, advice about the Tattlers, please leave it in the comment section. Please let me know that you're watching by giving me a thumbs up. And please subscribe. We're going to be doing a 5,500 subscriber giveaway. Going to be giving a lot of stuff away. And you do need to be subscribed to my channel in order to win. And I will be checking. There are going to be some steps that you need to do in order to qualify. And one of the qualifications is to be subscribed. So I would appreciate if you want to, be notified of all of my videos when they come out, which are going to be a lot from now on. Just subscribed and hit the bell, and you'll be the first to know when my videos are uploaded. So we're going to be doing informative videos, reviews on the Tattler lid, reviews on the All-American. We're going to be doing lots of dehydrating videos, lots of canning videos, recipe videos, Christmas baking videos, gardening videos for winter. Yes, for winter. I can garden year-round where I am. So I'm going to be bringing you guys along for that as well. So please subscribe and let me know that you subscribed in the comment section. I would greatly appreciate it. This way I know that my videos are getting watched. Also, if you would like to share my video or all of my videos, share my channel, give me a shout out. I would really appreciate it. I'm trying to get this to grow and need your help with that. Without you, I would not be at 5,500 plus subscribers right now. So my goal is about 100,000 subscribers. That's where I want to be. Probably in a couple years from now, maybe sooner, but we'll see. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for lots more. Please subscribe, especially if you want to win.